Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Zoom and integrate it with WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be using an integration via a plugin, and that is pretty much the only way. There are several plugins which you might be able to use, however I know of one which should work perfectly for your needs, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you do need a business subscription or higher on WordPress, which I myself do not have, so I'll be using several other instructions to show you guys how to do it, since I can't show you myself, but it is what it is. Firstly, what you're going to need to do is go into plugins, go into marketplace, and then from there you're going to search for video conferencing with Zoom. Once you search for that, as you can see, this is the first app that you get, the first plugin. So just go in there, activate it, or just install it and then activate it, and then you should be good to go. It should appear in your menu to the left, and once it's there, you can then go ahead and set everything up. For this, you are gonna need a Zoom API key and the API secret, which you do need an admin account on Zoom for, so that you can integrate it, and it's something like this. Once you log in with an admin account, you just go under develop and click on build app, and under JWT you need to click create, since you'll get a disclaimer for this, and you again do need an admin account for this, otherwise it won't be available. And then once that's done, you just need to create them and copy them over and insert them into the video conferencing with Zoom app. And once that's done, you're pretty much set, and you can start hosting calls on Zoom through WordPress. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.